Leading man? Naka-leading man ko na si Kuya Mark eh.
Mark.
Hindi naman siya leading man, parang he's in Cream Pie. Kasi,
Anthony Fernandez.
Janicio, kasi po,
Janicio.
naka-work ko na siya sa GMA sa Makiling.
Okay.
And he was really nice to me. And also, during our love scene, he didn't make me feel uncomfortable at all. He was asking, okay lang ba? Like, I will do things. He asked permission, he wasn't bastos or anything. So, because I'd met him before, so I was looking forward to working with him. Kasi beforehand, when he found out I was casted, he was messaging me already. Para comfy ako.
Lastly, are you single now?
I'm not.
Okay, that's it. Thank you, and of course, good luck sa bagong career mo.
Thank you. That was Miss Esther Moy of People's Journal and TikTok. For our next batch, please do stand by. Alan Sangon of Stars Photo, Nikki Wang of Manila Standard,
Yay.
Nurse Alma of GMA Entertainment, and Richard Paglikawan of Lionheart TV. Our next question will be coming from Alan Sangon of Stars Photo.
Ay, Angel.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sa picture na nakita namin at dapat talagang palaban ka, di ba?
Oh, diba?
Pagdating sa mga sexy scenes. Pero ano lang masasabi mo ngayon na parang isa ka sa binigyan ng break ng Viva dahil nagkaroon ka ng solo press con para ipakilala
Kaya
sa
nga
press,
eh.
di ba? Ano yung masasabi mo sa Viva na yun, binigyan ka ng chance to be mas makilala?
Nagulat ako. Saan ko, hala, bakit may solo press ko? Nakala ko kaming lahat sa movie. I feel very happy because parang finally parang feeling ko na-appreciate ako nung Viva. Like, I've never felt very like welcome. Hindi naman sa well, I was welcomed in GMA as well, pero this is a really big thing na may pa-press con pa ako. So, na-shock ako, pero I'm very, very happy. Nakaka-flatter po siya.
May second question. Usually, pag mga binibigyan ng mga solo press, kung talagang sila yung mga talagang makikitang sumisikat, kumaga nagkakaroon ng name, di ba? Ikaw ba, ngayon pa lang sinasabi ng you'll be the next BMX star? Anong masasabi mo lang doon? Na parang ngayon pa lang ang laki na expectation sa'yo ng mga tao,
I hope
ng
so.
bosses.
I will, besides the love scene, kasi pa yung love scene, madali lang yun. Gusto ko din pakita na nag-improve po talaga yung acting ko. And makikita niyo naman po siguro sa screenplay. Kasi meron pong mabigat na eksena na talagang gusto ko pong mapanood ng mga tao. So, makikita niyo po yung improvement, acting-wise. Love scene po, madali lang yun eh. Pero yung heavy parts, doon ako nag-improve.
Last na lang, Angel. Kasi parang sa dinami-dami ng mga genre na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo. Sabi nga, you came from the mainstream, tapos nag-BMX ka. For sure, stepping stone mo ulit para mas makilala ka. Sabi mo, versatile actress, di ba? Ano yung gusto mong genre na makilala ka? Or given a chance to have yung solo movie na mainstream, ano yung gusto mo?
Mainstream, not sexy.
Not sexy,
Kasi gusto ko sexy talaga eh. I feel like gusto ko kaso feeling ko weakness ko kasi yung mga kilig-kilig eh. Kasi I'm very nonchalant eh. I don't like affection too much. Lalo na when, syempre I'm dating someone, I'm not really affectionate at all. I think it's very cringe. So, probably comedy. Feeling ko nakakatawa naman ako. So, yun po.
Rom-com, parang gano'n.
Rom-com, parang yung nakakatawa lang, yung gaga-gaga lang, gano'n.
Kung sakali bigyan ka ng rom-com movie, sino yung gusto mo makasama na mainstream actor din?
Actor?
Na rom-com.
Wala pong, for guy, wala akong maisip eh. But like, siguro po idol ko po kasi si Miss Rufa Pinto.
Sa mga sabi siya.
Opo.
Okay. So, thank you, Angel.
Thank you.
So, looking forward to see you on
Thank
your
you.
more projects. Thank you, Kylie.
Thank you. That was Alan Sangon of Stars Photo. Up next, we have Nikki Wang of Manila Standard.
Hey, Angel.
Hello!
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Sabi mo kanina, you wanted to parang try different genres mo. Pero, now that you are signed in sa DMX, ano ba yung ultimate goal mo as an actor?
As an actor, well, to be honest, chance happening talaga. All honesty, I wasn't really thinking of coming back talaga because of my experience. But when I got the offer, everything just fell into place. It felt right. So my ultimate goal is to prove to yung mga basher ko na ito ako ngayon. Mas magaling ako umarte ngayon. mas palaban ako ngayon. So gusto ko parang makita nila na mas okay yung Angel Castro ngayon kaysa sa yung napanood nila noon.
Yung Claire Castro ba noon, paano ba siya ma-describe compared to, sabi mo mas palaban na si Angel ngayon, but si Claire Castro, ano ba siya dati?
Weak.
Mhm.
She's very weak. You could say something about me, I would cry about it for days. Basher, death threats, I would cry.
Pero ano yung turning point? Kasi sabi mo, ngayon wala ka nagkalap sa mga bashing eh. Ano yung turning point? What made you this strong woman that you are right now?
Being surrounded by good friends and good people, and my handler, si Sir Ethan Dayson, he believed in me before I believed in myself. So, siya talaga yung nag-push sa akin, kaya mo yan, magaling ka, ginaganyan niya ako, kahit feeling ko minsan hindi. So, yun po talaga.
And also, of course, maraming makakapanood sa'yo, maraming women of your age. Ano yung message mo sa kanila? To those women na they're not comfortable in their own skin, in their own body. What's your message to them?
Neither am I. I mean, I have some flaws. I have a lot of flaws. Like,
But you're confident.
I'm confident even if I'm not perfect. You don't have to be perfect to be confident. Just love how you look. Love how it's not all about looks eh. If you have a kind personality, if you're funny, if you're nice to people, that's something to brag about. It's not all about looks. If you're talented, brag about it. Not everything is about aesthetics.
Very well said. Thank you and congrats.
Thank you. That was Nikki Wang of Manila Standard. For our next question, we have Nurse Alma of GMA Entertainment.
GMA pala dito.
So,
Why nabigla ako doon? Matakot ako. Wait lang.
Dahil dyan, ang tanong ko ay,
Oh, no.
kasi since yun nga, sabi mo na-trigger yung, yung depression mo dun sa mga bashing from
Yeah.
those teleseries. Specifically yung isa, di ba?
Nagbabago ng luha.
Oo. Ngayon, gusto ko lang malaman, curious ako, paano mo hinarap yung pagbabalik mo kasi parang hindi ka ba nag-alangan na ito na naman ako, harap naman ako sa camera.
No.
Baka bumalik na naman yung mga bashing.
In my head, so what? At least na pag-uusapan. And the more people talk about you, the more shows you get. Bad press is still good press. It's still press. So, it could help in my acting career, get more shows, mas mapag-usapan. So what? Yun po yung thinking ko ngayon eh. Bash me, okay, at least I'm happy.
Before, you mentioned kanina parang pag sinabing pangit ka or hindi magaling yung body mo, iiyakan mo.
Yes.
I'm curious, saan nanggaling yung insecurity na yun?
Yung mga, kasi syempre po may mga soap ako before na magbo-body shame yung mga comments. Sabihin, ay, kumakain pa ba yan? Yung payat ako. Ay, law yung boobs. Gaganunin ako. Tapos sabi, ang OA umarte, yung mga ganon. Eh, yun po yung hiningi ng director. So, I'm not sure kung saan ako lulugar that time. So, yun, doon po nagaling yung insecurities ko. Parang nambaba ako sa sarili ko. Na parang, oh my God, kaya ko ba to? Dream ko to, pero kaya ko ba to? Parang ganon po.
So, yung naging support mo nga is from your friends.
Yes.
And ano yung message na talagang nag-uplift sa'yo na hindi, kakayanin ko to kahit anong mangyari?
For my friend said, ano ka ba? Ang galing mo umarte, ba't na-down ka sa sarili mo? Sobrang ganda mo, babe. Ginaganon ako ng best friend ko talaga. Kasi minsan iiyak ako sa kanya, like I'm gonna be like, oh, parang I feel so bad, like I feel so ugly. And pag mag-video call, everyday ko siya kausap sa phone eh. Ano ka ba? Papagalitan pa niya, why do you think so low of yourself? Ganun. So like, when you surround yourself with good people, they will lift you up and also you lift them up in return. Because you see the good in them, because they see the good in you.
And follow up lang doon kasi you mentioned na rin na you're in a relationship. Not to name yung guy. Ano naman yung naging reaction na eto, mag-isa ka ng VMX star?
I had to convince him. Sabi niya kasi, Viva, one lang ha. No, pero I told him naman na that I'm going top. Late ko na actually sinabi, I'm going topless, ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, okay lang kasi may daya naman. And sabi ko, it's just acting. It's not real. Nothing is real. There's no anything na bastos. So, daya lang po talaga lahat yun. Tapos yung point po ng Viva Max is not just nudity eh. may kwento po yun. May story po siya. Sadyang may mga scene lang talaga that invokes passion just to hook the viewers. But it's more so about the story, which is maganda po yung story ng Cream Pie because it's sort of like a thriller and drama. So yun.
Okay, so you gave him
I told him
assurance
na.
it
Hindi,
won't
tsaka-
affect the relationship.
Yeah, I told him na pumayag po siya pero ang kapalit sabi niya kailangan ko sabihin na may boyfriend ako.
Kaya open ka.
Oh, yun yung kapal.
And lastly, what does it take to be a premium crush?
Ano
Yun
po?
yung title na binigay sa'yo.
Ano po,
BMX
sorry?
Premium Crush.
Ano po? Sorry?
BMX Premium
Crush.
Ano po
Premium.
ibig sabihin ng premium?
Class. Social.
Thank you! Hindi ko alam yun pero thank you. Natutuwa naman ako. Thank you. Yun yung reaction ko. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. That was Nurse Alma of GMA Entertainment.